What's going on, YouTube homies? It's your boy Tyler with Scarce. I'm up dark and early, just getting everything packed up, ready to go, because today I'm driving down to San Diego to meet up with my brother Dylan for us to do our first ever mural. Super, super excited. Get ready. It's going to be awesome. Stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube homies? It's your boy Tyler and Dylan with Scarce. We're out here prepping this wall. This is our first ever mural. We're getting everything prepped up, cleaned, all ready to go. We got our paints, we got our paper, cover up the ground. We're getting everything ready to go, getting everything prepped and clean, because the first step, getting everything ready, is the most important, so that the finished product is. But we're super excited. We are in beautiful sunny San Diego and we're gonna paint this mural. So let's go. All right now we are taping down our paper, securing the floor so we don't drip, because that's a no-no. So we just rolled down that paper and now we're taping it up so that it's all clean and all safe to paint. Taping everything, making sure that nothing that we don't want paint is getting paint on it. I'm gonna tape these all off so we can go behind and not have to worry about it. I'm not putting all of it. Like the color. Are you gonna just get one of these rollers? We're getting these coats in, got these two colors going strong. Took an extra coat, but we want that super, super opaque. Look at that wavy fade. We've been going at this shit for a couple hours and we got 3 wavy fades. But we're hungry. We're gonna go get some urban plates and take a break for a minute and come back and kill it some more.
Do you bring a kendama? It's in the background.
Just had some real good food. We're all refreshed and refueled, ready to get back at it. That's a wrap for day one. Got the whole background done, baby. Look at that. One day. Top's just got to dry overnight, and tomorrow we're coming in with the flowers and clouds. Hell yeah. What's going on, everybody? It is the beginning of day 2 of our mural project. This is what we got. Whole background, 5 colors of wavy fade. Loving it. Very happy with it so far. Got to do some more work today. Let's go. Here we go. We're adding the flowers first piece on the background. Just getting the outline done and getting ready to block in the colors. Got the outline done, adding some white, getting that beautiful flower all blocked out. Slowly but surely making progress.
That's not what I mean. That's not what
I mean. Getting color on the wall. What's going on? We're still going at it. We got clouds blocked in, we got flowers being painted, moving along. Very, very slowly but surely getting there. Looking real nice though. Getting excited for this one. Stay tuned. Yeah, the cloud looks real crisp on the video. All right, that's the end of day 2. This is what we got. We got a couple fully finished clouds going through, getting all those outlines done and moving along with those flowers. Day 3, about to get started. Oh, it looks crazy on the camera. Well,
Let me do some.
3 days later and a whole lot of hours, we finished mural number 1. Check it out. All right, this is the next morning. It took us 3 whole days and a whole bunch of hours, but this is the finished product. Super, super excited. Thanks for coming along. Stay tuned for the next one.